What's the meaning of Amir? Amir. 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 Amir.
Amir is a name that originates from Arabic. It is commonly used in Muslim cultures and means prince or commander. The name is often given to boys with the belief that they will become leaders or hold important positions in society. In some cases, Amir can also refer to a person who is in charge of a specific group or organization. Overall, the meaning of Amir is associated with leadership and authority, and it holds significant cultural and historical significance in many parts of the world.